this is a good spot for me to sort of get that clarity again. This is scope of WAJAX. Is that where do you come into the process? You're dealing with plants that are already set up, and so you're coming in and enhancing their processes, enhancing their safety? Or is an engineering firm reaching out to WAJAX and saying, "Hey, we need this, this, and this. We know WAJAX supplies all this, so this is the full scope of what we need." I'm just trying to wrap my head because there's so many parts. I'm trying to wrap my head around how it actually all comes together for the client.
Absolutely. So all of the above with regards to new facilities to existing facilities. Again, with the team members that we have within the WAJAX family, we take pride in the expertise and the solutions that we can bring to the customer. If it's an existing operation where they have unplanned downtime or failure of a variety of different processes, our team members can go on site, identify potential root causes, and recommend solutions across the vendor base that we have available to us. We represent many global leading brands in all of these different product categories. So we have a complete arsenal of options that we can bring to a customer. Going to greenfield operations or new operations, absolutely. We have, on our application engineering side of our capabilities, we are able to work on the design, the fabrication in-house in many cases, as well as installation, commissioning, and maintenance programs for these customers.
So you're delivering
So
all
it
of
is
that that's on the ground support then. You're actually providing that as well?
absolutely.
Wow. I want to sort of, Robert, I want to sort of bring you back in for the other side. On the farming side, again, we're trying to cover all this and sort of piece it together from like a full scope of agriculture. On the farming side, the conveyor applications, that's sort of where you come in. Can you walk us through, what products you're using, some of the systems, just sort of give us that scope?
Correct. So the bulk materials side of it, which is the farming component, we would have things, anything for the conveyance of that product, storage, removal from storage into the truck or into the trailer. So usually in the agriculture area, it's going to be screw conveyors for modest distances up to about 20 feet, 30 feet. Once you get beyond that, a screw conveyor can have, it becomes expensive. Belt conveyor for longer distances into storage. Often the elevated silos that you would see across would be using a bucket elevator then, right? That's a great way to get it into storage. And then out of the storage and back into either rail cars or trailers.